Hello everyone, welcome to Angie Vlogs.
Mindanao, 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 Mindanao.
Thank you Lord, it's maaraw. So, hopefully tapos na yung kalbaryo natin sa boulders, no? So we're about to go to the white sand. Hi Kuya Jolan. It's his second time here. Pero sa kabilang trail siya dati. Ang dami palang trail ng Mount Apo. At nahahati ang Mount Apo in different provinces dito sa Davao. Look at my view. Ganda, diba? Delikado yan kasi may mga falling boulders sometimes. Kaya you better watch out. Bawal tayo magkamali ng hakbang. We're taking almost 87 degrees. 87 degrees? Yeah. Almost 90 degrees. Without harness. Without ropes. Just our power.
Wow.
Hi Davao. Lamig. Parang mga 5 degrees.
Sige, ako guys. Ano lang?
Grabe.
Pa-picture na
Ang
kayo.
lamig. Napapagod na ako.
Oh no!
Pero nandito na. Ayun na yung top na yun. Doon na yung peaks, di ba? Yeah! So see you there. Ay. Hindi na siya mainit. Ay, mahangin.
Yan, tayan mo lang.
Ay. So, na-reach na natin yung peak ng Digos City. And we're about to go sa dalawa pa. Dalawang peak pa, no? Sa Mother Peak tsaka Kidapawan. Hi guys! Ay! So we already reached the highest peak. So happy, super lamig. So, naka-trilogy tayo ng Mount Apo. Tapos na natin yung dalawang peak, the Digo City and the highest peak. And we're about to go to another one. If I'm not mistaken, it's Kidapawan Peak. Pagod na ako.
Oh no!
Ginusto ko to eh. So, pagbaba ko, gusto kong kumain ng cream o fudgy bar at saka roller coaster. Deserve ko naman yun, diba? Saka mix and match. Mga 3 pairs. Ice cream, pineapple, burger, spaghetti, fries, tapos burger stick. Hi! Our last peak in our trilogy is the third one, which is Kidapawan Peak po yan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kidapawan Peak. Last one. Thank you so much, Ma'am Joy.
Thank you, sir, for booking.
Yung lamig dito, umaabot siya ng 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. So, mas malamig pa sa Baguio. Talagang grabe nung madaling araw, it's around 12 AM. Para akong nasa freezer. Talagang numb na yung body parts namin. Talagang super lamig. And of course, I'm thankful to God kasi kahapon nagpe-pray ako, Lord, I pray on our second and last day would be a sunny day, pero hindi super init. Cloudy siya in fairness, thanks God. And also, hindi umulan. May clearing. I'm very thankful kasi in our prayers, the Lord is there. Pinapakinggan niya kami. And we successfully reached the summit and the trilogy of Mount Apo. Continuing praying, of course, na maging successful yung pagbaba namin. Ang saya-saya. I mean, kung iisipin ko yung pagod, tsaka yung hirap ng pag-akyat at pagbaba, parang ayoko. Pero the view itself, na makikita mo once you reach the peaks, bayad yan ng pagod mo.
Wow!
Plus, the experience, kasi lalo makikilala yung sarili mo. We will know your limits and your power, your strengths. Makaka-create ka rin ng friendship with your co-mountaineers. Thank you so much sa mga coordinators for being with us and giving us the best service that you can offer. Bye! This part is sa Kidapawan na. Right? Kidapawan, Mindanao. So, nasasakop na siya sa borders ng Kidapawan. And yung unang-una natin yung pinuntahan is sa Digo City, Davao del Sur. And ngayon, we already reached the 3. We're thankful. We're happy. Mission accomplished. Hi guys. So, we're successfully reached the 3 peaks of Mount Apo, or also known as Trilogy. Peak from Digos, from Kidapawan, and the highest peak, or sa mother peak kung tawagin. So now we're about to go to Lake Venado for our relax time. Gusto ko na matulog at kumain. Then tomorrow, the whole day is pababa na. Matatapos na ang mga paghihirap natin. By choice. Okay? So, see you there.
Init lang kayo ni no?
Hi guys! So after so many paghihirap, nandito tayo sa Lake Venado. This is our second day. And tomorrow morning, it's around 6 AM or 7, bababa na tayo. So sabi nung coordinator namin, it's around 8 to 10 hours of hike pababa. Hike pa ba yun kung pababa? So yeah, that's the Lake Venado, and ayan po ang Mount Apo. Nandun kami sa pinakaibabaw kanina. Ang sakit ng katawan ko, promise. Ganda. First na iinom na. Natural. Ang lamig ng tubig, oh. Para siyang galing ref.